Philippines!
Welcome back to the Philippines, Miss Julia.
No.
How was your flight?
Anything that takes off and lands is fantastic.
Wow.
I'm honored to be here. It's very
How
nice
does
of
it-
you to welcome me.
Padaan, doon
How-
na lang sa ano pa.
Sorry about
Take
my
a rest.
shorts.
Yes.
I had no clothes with me, but never mind.
Christina. Para ma-post ko na. Okay. Brian. Okay, Christina. Okay, mamaya na muna picture. Closer. You're so tall.
I am.
Basta ako nakaselfie. Alright, good. Here. Bye, guys.
Hi. Ah, sorry. Hi, Christina.
So pretty.
Tari ni Kuya para.
Hello.
Oh,
The last year when I was here for the first time, I fell in love with the country. I fell in love with the people. Explore a little bit. I went to see the historical part of the city. So I'm really happy to be back, and I'm sure I'll go as well for one more time minimum, because my goal is to go explore a little bit of the beach and the islands, because I'm sure that's one thing on my list in Philippines I still need to do. So I'm so excited to be back, and I'm happy to meet all the contestants and to choose the new Miss World Philippines.
Oh, you'll be a judge?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Surprise, surprise.
What's your message to our fans and singers?
Definitely stay true to yourself and don't forget to enjoy the process, because you've been working hard. I know that sometimes you can get lost because you forgot to enjoy, but you need to enjoy the process, and I'm sure you will shine on your final night. I'm here to support you. I'm here to be here for you. So I'm so much looking forward to meet all the contestants. So I'm sure all will shine.
Christina, this coming Friday is the finals of Miss World Philippines 2024. Would it be okay if you could share to us what qualities of a Miss World Queen are you looking for?
The winner should be definitely ambassador of a beauty with purpose, because that's the heart and soul of Miss World, and we're looking for someone who can be the speaker, the voice of Miss World, and of course to be able to travel all around the world, experience amazing things, and do the good cause.
Thank you, Christina.
Thank you so much. My pleasure. So happy.
Welcome back to the Philippines.
Where's the crown?
Oh,
In the sack.
don't
Tomorrow,
worry, it's here.
tomorrow.
Okay. We need to have something to look forward for tomorrow.
First, what are you looking for in the next Miss Grand? Siya yung pagkakabot.
Thank you.
Oo. Kuya, para pati si Kuya, para makakabot.